Sometimes you'll need to express an emotion such as joy, sorrow, happiness, sadness to the person you're talking to. So, if you want to know how to express your emotions, okay, please watch this video until the end and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and suggest your friend to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell, please, okay? Okay, now let's start a new lesson. I am Bara Maseli, and in this video, I'm going to teach you something about your feeling, okay? How to express your feeling or how to ask others about their feelings, okay? So, please watch this video until the end. Are you ready? Let's go! To ask about your feeling, you can ask these questions. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? You look sad. Are you okay? You look upset. Are you okay? Or you can say, you seem a little bit distracted. You seem a little bit distracted. Are you all right? Are you all right? Okay, you can say, you seem kind of low today. What's wrong? You seem kind of low today. What's wrong? Or you can say, you seem a little blue today. What's the matter? You seem a little blue today. What's the matter? What's wrong? What's the matter? Is everything all right? Is everything okay? Are you okay? Are you all right? Are you angry? Are you happy? Okay, you can ask these questions in order to know about others' feeling. To respond to a question about your feelings, you can use the following expressions. Okay, you can say, I feel sad. I feel happy. I feel angry. Or I feel a little bit sad. I feel a little bit happy. I feel a little bit angry. Okay? And also you can say, I am sad, I am happy, I am angry. Okay? Or you can say, I am a little bit sad. I am a little bit happy. I am a little bit angry. Okay? Or you can say, to be honest. Okay? To be honest, I'm a little bit sad. To be honest, I'm a little bit happy. To be honest, I'm a little bit angry. Okay? It's been a difficult day. It's been a difficult day. The thing is that I am sad. The thing is that I am sad. The thing is that I am happy. The thing is that I am angry. I am mad at her. I am mad at him. Okay? It means that you are angry. Yeah? When you are angry, you can say, I am mad at you. I am mad at him. Okay? Or I am mad at, I don't know, for example, Alex. I don't know, someone else. Okay? Now, let's take a look at some vocabularies about your feeling, okay? If you know these vocabularies, you can express your feeling better. Sad, unhappy, feel blue, feel low, feel down. Depressed, downhearted, angry, cross. Annoyed, irritated, mad, furious. Vexed, indignant, irate, ceasing. It's very important to know how to express your feelings when you are sad, when you are happy, and when you are angry. Okay? I collect some great vocabularies with definitions and also with some great examples. So let's take a look. Happiness. Happy, glad. She seemed to be the happiest bride I'd ever seen. Content, contented. Satisfied or showing satisfaction with things as they are. She was a contented wife. Joyful. Full of joy. It was a joyful occasion. Delighted. Feeling or showing great pleasure. She had a delighted smile. Sadness. Feel blue. Feel sad. She's feeling blue after what has happened to her son. Sad, unhappy. Feeling or showing sorrow. I can't bear the tears of a sad child. Feel low, feel down. Feel dispirited or be sad and gloomy. I am feeling low because my best friend is ill. Depressed. Low in spirit, downcast. He was depressed by the loss of his son. Anger. Angry. Experience a strong of displeasure or hostility. She was angry about the insult. Cross. Be quite angry. I was cross with her because she didn't invite me to her party. Mad. Angry, resentful. Are you mad at me because I didn't come to your party? Annoyed. Aroused to impatient or anger. Her comments have always annoyed me. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. If you like it, please share with your friends and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and ask your friends to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? And click on the notification bell and let me know if you have any questions, if you have any comments and suggestions. Please tell me if you want to have a new lesson, if you want to have a great video on the subject that you like to have. Okay, I don't know, everything that you like, please tell me. I will make a great video on that subject. Nothing more. Goodbye and have a great day. Bye.